everybody doing? Hope you're all doing good. Leon's. I can go East Kingston, but probably not going to do that. I don't want to go on the highway either. I'm just going to stay in this lane. See where we go. I have to go that way. Come on, buddy, let's go. Stop here and red signal. Are you over the line, buddy? Nah, he's alright. So, guys, I got like the last couple days off. I gotta go to work tomorrow, which is gonna totally suck. Oh man, hurry up, buddy. Let's go. I can't deal with your acceleration. You're too slow. There we go. Looks like everyone wants to go see the fireworks. So we are going to go see the fireworks. Da, 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 da. Oh yeah. 50 kilometers an hour here? Are you kidding me? Let's go faster. Oh man, you gotta love these twisty roads. The only ones of its kind in Durham region. Oh man. Woo! Truck entrance, everybody. Let's bring a bike in there and see if they kick us out. I wonder. I really do wonder. Chuck E. Cheese on the highway. There was a big accident here a couple of days ago. It was really bad. They had an air ambulance out and everything, man. It wasn't pretty. Oh yeah. What street's this? Victoria. I'm on the right street. I don't see any fireworks yet, people. Are you lying? I mean, did I come all over here for nothing? Oh, man. So, Zoto Moto Vlogs, I hope you get your bike sorted out. You said it died mid-intersection. You know what, that'd be pretty scary either way. So, I hope you get that sorted out tonight. I had a good conversation with Pound Cake X. He's hilarious. He also has the awesome photo shoot inside the parking garage. Is that another bike or what's that? Oh, the scooter! It's an e-bike, everybody! Oh man, that was funny. Pringle Creek reminds me of the Chips. Wonder if that e-biker is gonna go see the fireworks as well down at Lakeview. Iroquois Park Sports Center. They should really build a something so you can actually see the time on this thing, eh? Can't even see it. What am I looking at? 3 minutes? Okay, we're good. Okay, what is the street? Where are we gonna park? Who knows? There's a police car down there. That means we can't park. Try here and see if we can actually get up or not. Go here. Can we actually get down there? I really wonder. I want to really try to see if I can get down there or not. just try, guys. See what we can do. A minute. To see if we can actually get down there. Alright, guys. Looks like we might be blocked off from getting down there by the cops. I'll keep you posted.